Alright, we're back. Whacked off 3 inches, maybe 3 1/8. That was probably 3 right here in the line, but a little extra, no big deal. It would be a little long and a little bit too short. Okay, so we're gonna, here's our best holding at, this is our worst area right here. Try to get a large amount of holding power in that area. Try to spread the load. Alright, we're spread. Okay, I'm going to cut it off flat. Crank the speed back up. Okay, time for center drill. Now we're doing the same thing we did before. So you can see how much you move the crank, the hand wheel over here. Don't force it too much, just let the machine do the cutting. It starts hopping and bopping all over the place, slow it down. Come back on it again. See how it jumps every now and then? It's not cutting cleanly, it loads up, spits the chip out, and it goes again. That out of the way. And you see a nice hole right there. Looks very concentric. Definitely what we're after that. If it wasn't concentric, we'd be screwed. Okay, we're going to put our pilot drill in there. This is probably about a 5/16. A little bit big for a pilot drill, but yeah, it's working for us. If it's working for us, use it. Happens here. Don't run it in hard first shot. It knocks it way out of true. Okay, coming slow and easy, let it find its center. First 30 thou is the whole ball game pretty much on these deals. If it's bouncing all over the place to start with, it's not going to get any better. Starts bouncing on my hand, so I put the other hand over here to hold it. Okay, we're cutting a full hole now. Ooh, that's not good. It's dug in. Oh, you hear it go, digs in. Cuts a big chip, knocks the hole off center. We don't want that. Try to start it slowly so it doesn't follow the bad hole. going as clean as the other side was, I don't think. That hole looks pretty good though. Oil on it, starts cutting a lot better. Once the oil disappears, it starts popping around again. So it's cut nice and smooth in my hand right now. Calm down. I'll be going through the hole on the other side now. Alright, still going, never stopped. Felt like I was going through, but it never stopped. Try to get the feet evenly, that's what you want. That's enough. About an inch in right now, so a good half inch to go at least. I'm going to push it all the way through one shot, but it's cutting nice and cleanly right now. Going through, I think, the hole now. Nope, it's cutting nice and clean though. Here it's starting to load up, stop. We definitely got a sweet spot there, I was happy. Not as happy right now. There it goes through the hole. Through the other side. There you go. Big one in there. Get this to start nicely like it did before. Such a good job before. See what happens. Starts to chatter, you got to kind of push a little bit to hold the chatter, but if you go too fast it digs in and screws up the hole. Fine line in there. We're doing high speed cutting, it's not turning chips yellow right now, but it's cutting cleanly right now, so just let it go. It's in a sweet spot, don't stop it. Because cleanly, it doesn't make a lot of heat. The hot part of the chip that comes out. Definitely a sweet spot, so found just the perfect feed for it. Usually when I pull my chip in, I go happy. There we go off the other side. That's pretty good, did all one shot. There's a happy camper there. Alright. Yeah, that was a happy one. Happy's good. Now I'm going to put the reamer back in. See if this side will be happy. Hold up a little bit center if you want. Starts nice and cleanly. So I didn't dig in or anything. If I didn't leave it, lift it up a little bit, it would have dug in. Same deal, we're cutting nice and fast here. It's happy. Yeah, it's getting a little unhappy. You can hear the chips change flow speed. See the speed of the crank wheel change too. Not far enough. Put some oil in there. I could feed it twice as fast, but I don't want to go that low. I don't want to load it that much. So we're through the hole now. It's nice it went right through the whole hole. There's no binding. If the holes are out of concentric, when you went through, you hear go chunk, 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 chunk as it ran through. You get none of that. So that means that's a pretty straight hole. That's definitely what we're after. Okay, now we're going to step it to an extra reamer up. I'm going to blow all this stuff off right now. Clean off your area. Okay, reamer, stepping them up, line them all up. We got all the reamers lined up right here. When I didn't do it, I didn't slow the speed down. Definitely need to slow the speed down. Reamers do not like cutting at high speed. They really don't like it. Nice finish inside that hole too. It's another good sign that you got a good hole. So nice and straight and smooth that hole looks over there. Good finish. That's a good sign. Okay, we have no starting edge on this hole, so we have to let it do it. Bring this back a little bit. See how it looks like it has to go up a little bit toward me, about this angle this way, I think. Pretty light cut. Real fast. Alright. A little over an inch there. That. The reamer started spinning. It wouldn't hurt if I went from both directions here, but Usually your reamer is going to follow whatever your hole is, so if it's a straight hole, it should follow it all the way through. The other side. Okay. Put your reamers back as you use them, you don't get them mixed up. Okay, get an idea about how bad this is. It's not very hot, that's a good sign. A lot of times you do cutting like this, you can hold on to this thing, it'd be too damn hot. Thing's almost room temperature. You just lay it on top of your hand, see it doesn't even do any damage, doesn't hurt anything. Nice and cool. Very free cutting. Okay, let's see what our diameters are. So we're at 93, 94, 94 and a half, 94, 93 and a half. That's within 1 thou all the way around. That's pretty damn good. That was on the back side too. Now this one I didn't machine the surface, so I'm not sure. We're not going to have a real good reading on what this is. Yeah, if I go in deep enough, I can probably do it. 102, 4. Yeah, I can't get good. 2. Can't. There it is. 2. 1.5, 2. 1. 2. It's pretty close. Definitely a good job. Probably the straightest one I've ever done without boring a hole. Usually you bore them, you get them this close. Okay, what's our hole size? We're at 47 right now. We need to get to 88 final. Or actually a little under 88. Okay, this reamer I think is the dull one. We'll find out. Hopefully it doesn't screw everything all up. We'll find out. Cutting good so far. If it's dull, it's not showing up. Oh, it's starting to feel funny. You hear that clunk, so it locked up for a second. Floor moved. Damn it. Trying to slide it. Feet are moving. Some oil deep in there. Screw on my floor down here, see? Turn on me. Not very flat. Alright, try it again. It's nice and smooth. tight. Okay, this one's done. Clean it off. Alright, moment of truth. I'm just going to screw the hole up, or we're going to finish the hole. I was getting 81 at the final size. That was only 79.5 on that one. 79.5. 79.5. Say we need to be 86 or under, roughly. So this is probably cut right on size, leave us maximum amount of work to do. See, that's the problem. If it cuts on size, we got more work to do. If it cuts too big, it helps us. Unless it cuts too big and we got really a lot more work to do, we get to make a whole nother one. Alright, let's see what we get. It's pretty even starting. Right there. Here, I moved over there a little bit. Okay, that's enough bad hole. Okay, so 86 is our number, as big as we can be. Yeah, what a piece of crap. 81 is as big as I can make it. That leaves me 7th out of shaft size. I gotta hone out 6,000s now.
Yeah.
See, more work. The better it is, the more work we gotta do. Alright, well. These reamers cutting pretty good. I'm cutting 1 thou oversized. Assuming that's what I don't even know what size it is. I know what the reamer was, I don't know what it's supposed to cut to though. Have to look up 3764 to see what that is. Piston dull reamer. I feel kind of cut and weird. I know one of them's dull. These are Dad's old reamers. They've been around. When I was a kid, I was using these reamers. That's back in the 70s. Mid-70s on up, I was using this crap. Come on, come up the back. There it is. Alright. It is what it is at this point. Okay, moment of truth. How loose does it feel? Pretty damn tight. That's 1.5 clearance maybe max. That's my feel. This side we're supposed to be cutting 37/64s. Where is it? Ooh. Supposed to be cutting 578/1. Well, this was 79.5 to begin with, and I saw 81 as the biggest. So that means it cuts oversize. It helps us. Oh well, must be a sharpened reamer. Okay, we're going to deburr this hole. That is a dull ass cutter. Here's another one. Oh yeah, that cut nice. Don't leave your chuck key in the chuck. It's very dangerous. Okay, I gotta knock just a sharp edge off so I don't cut myself when I hold this. That would suck. Okay, that's done. Deburr this. Okay, let's see what we got. Got a nice hole. Look at that. The light went off. Now we can see in the hole. There you go. Got a nice board finish that is. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, this is the bad side. 84, 84, 84. Aha, 84.5. There, it's a half dot out. There you go. 85.5 on this side. 84. Oh, 83. That's terrible. 84. It's probably in a low spot. 85 is our thick part. Yep, 85. 84.5. Remember, this isn't very even over here. That's pretty damn close. That was a 1.5 total reading from one and the other. That's very, very close for just drilling holes and reaming. That's machining. That's boring quality. There you go. Now, what's the actual size of the hole? 80.5. 81. This is input, that's output. Got smaller as I went through. So we need to hone that out to 87. Remember, this is not a mic. This is only accurate 1/2 thou. So it's 87.5. 87, 88 right there. 88 there. 87.5 there. It's showing 1/2 thou out around, but I measured it within 2/10 all the way your whole length of the mic. So if we have this 1 thou press on that distance, that'd be pretty tight going in. So we need to hone that out to 87. Which means I have a lot of work to do. Now how are you going to hold on to this thing to hone it? It's a little hard. Not much leverage. That's going to be fun. I feel my hands are going to get sore here. Let's find out. We hold it until it starts to go onto this. That might be too much. Let me guess. Freeze it, heat it up, drops on, right? Sure. I believe that. I believe that's about as much as a pig will fly. Alright, and I'm not talking tornadoes either. Okay, so we're going to have to go ahead and hone this thing out. Get this out as big as we can get it. I have no idea what that number is going to be. We'll find out. Camera. So let me get set up, we'll be back.